got some bananas, tomatoes. It's June 11th. I'm on my way to therapy. Starting therapy with a new company, I guess. This is for court-based purposes. I look nice. I'm wearing this kind of olive dark green, and I'll show you what I'm wearing at the bottom. But yeah, today was rough. Today after my birthday, woke up to some news pertaining to a court. But you know what? God is in it with me. I replied, gave my response. There's nothing too hard for God. It shall be well. Okay, bye guys. Completely forgot that I was vlogging, so I'm now at Sobeys just getting some cake, my birthday cake, and some fruits for the kids. Tomorrow I go to the shelter to get more food, but yeah, just got some bananas, tomatoes, grapes, and then I also have bread and cucumber. Like, I'll show you guys this stuff. My bus, so I'm just gonna wait for the next one. It's coming in a few minutes. I'm going to pick up the girls after school and bring them home from after school program. So yeah, I'll chat with you guys soon when I get back. Hi guys, today is 20th of June, and I'm expecting like a heat wave today, so it's really hot already. It's like 21 or 22 degrees now, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30. I'm just going to get groceries at the shelter and go home and just do a couple of things. I'm feeling good. I've been feeling good lately. God has been doing a lot of good miracles, so I'm happy. And I'm still holding on to my faith that everything will be okay. Hi guys, and welcome to a random Saturday in my life. Today it is the 22nd of June. Can you believe that? We're outside, the kids are just playing. It's a beautiful Saturday, chilled, cloudy but nice.
I'm getting hot on my legs.
So yeah, that's all. I'm just having a good day and thinking about the fact that I need to buy sunscreen because now we're in summer, so I need to buy sunscreen for myself. The kids do have sunscreen, so I was just contemplating on some brands that I'll probably want to work with on my skin, and yeah, just also contemplating on getting back to content creation, but for makeup purposes, because you guys getting vlogging and all that jazz, I don't know, I'm just starting to, as I grow older, I think my preferences are starting to change when it comes to how I choose to show up online. So
I
no. Please don't do that.
Okay, Heidi, can you go?
So yeah, let me go. But yeah, just some thoughts I'm having about getting back to YouTube. Guys, schools have closed today. I'm actually going to pick up the girls. God has been good. Wow. So proud of my girls. Proud of me. I'm with the girlies. And where did you guys go?
We went to Zatzman Sportsplex to swim.
Where's Helen? I can't see her. Mom.
She's tall.
Oh, she's wearing pink. That's why I can't see. No, I couldn't see you for real. Okay. So I'm really happy. So we're gonna get groceries. We're gonna go home and shower, have lunch, and have a sweet Saturday. Saturday? There's no Saturday. Sweet Thursday. Guys, I've never been out with my hair wet like this. It's crazy. But I love it. And the girls, I think they're happy. So we'll see you
In the next clip.
in the next clip, and maybe when we come back.
I got my hair wet 3 times. When you told me to wash my hair, when I was playing with the water at home,
Yeah.
and today.
Alright guys, we'll talk soon. I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. I know I look like I just woke up because I did. My delivery has arrived. I checked the tracking because they told me that your package is coming, but it was gonna come between today, Friday, up until Sunday. Okay guys, so we're back in the house. So they actually sealed the bottom with tape, so I'll need to make sure I remove that. And then my kids are already testing out the seats. So this is why I actually chose these chairs, because of the versatility. Yeah.
And also, these are the best chairs ever.
Ah. I don't like the color. I'm not a fan because it's quite loud, but I mean, it is what it is. The other chairs were all sold out because they have a lot of reviews and they're really good chairs. So I love that they're pretty wide, and my daughter actually put a whole pillow there and a blanket. Okay, so based on reviews, I did hear that the chairs are a little bit low, because I did see them in person when we went to IKEA last Saturday, but I forgot to sit on the chair. Yeah, so they are a little bit low, but I don't mind as long as I have somewhere to sit, you guys. It's now summer. We are lucky to have like some benches outside, but sometimes, you know, there are other people using them. I just wanted something personal.
Sometimes they're super hot.
And sometimes they're super hot. So with these chairs, I can always move the chair and put it where I want it to be. So I'm super excited. I didn't think they'll deliver this early. And then also, like in the winter, we can use this in the living room, and we have more space to sit down if someone wants to sit on the
if we
couch.
That's one thing. And if we want to drink something, we can sit outside. We can sit in here and drink it.
Yeah. So yeah, so excited. Today's the last day of the house. It's crazy. I don't know how I feel, and I don't know how things are gonna turn out moving forward. But I'm very grateful and thankful for this experience. The kids needed it. So yeah.
And we are expecting a great championship today with the Foghorns. Bye, Lisa. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. What's up?
Get some ice cream and bread.
Okay, we want to cross the road, okay? Okay, guys, we're done with the hair appointment. The girlies are looking girly. I'll show you at home.
But I didn't like my hair. With all the pain and all
Guys.
you say is girly. I hate it.
No, I'm saying I'll show you videos when we get home. Not now.
Yeah, but all you said was girly.
Girly about what? This way. Okay, the hair looks absolutely amazing and gorgeous and beautiful. They're gonna have an amazing weekend this weekend.
That's how I like
Hopefully.
it. Yeah. That's how I like it.
That's how she likes it. So yeah, let's chat more. Right now, let's go to Micmac Mall and get an iPad cover and Tylenol and
Ice cream and bread.
I don't know. Ice cream and bread. I don't know how we're gonna get ice cream and bread.
And
In
we're
Micmac
getting
Mall.
a new iPad for me.